Hey everyone, my name is Hydro and I made a video a couple of days ago showing you guys how to join the 1.17 experimental beta for Minecraft Pocket Edition, and in that I got a lot of questions on how to leave the beta. Alright, so once you join the beta, how you need to leave it, and basically it's really simple. All you have to do is go ahead and open up the Play Store. Alright, so as you guys can see, so I'm on the Play Store now, and then what you need to do is click on these three lines on top over here, and then go ahead and click on My Apps and Games, and over here you'll see a beta option. Go ahead and click on beta, and you'll see Minecraft over here, of course, if you have joined the beta. And then what you need to do is go ahead and click on it, and what you need to do is scroll a bit down, and as you guys can see, you're a beta tester, and what you need to do is click on leave. Now wait, don't click out of this video yet, it's not yet done. So okay, leave beta program, confirm by clicking on leave once again. So don't click away from this video just yet. There's still one more thing that is left to do, that you have to do, otherwise you will not be removed from the beta program. And as you guys can see, so now it's going to say removing your account from the beta test program, and after it basically removes your account, what you need to do is, alright guys, so it has been a couple of minutes and finally we have been removed from the beta, and now what you need to do is basically go ahead and uninstall Minecraft. Alright, so go ahead and do that. Now it's uninstalling Minecraft, and now what you need to do is go ahead and install Minecraft once again, and basically what will happen is this will remove you from the beta. And as you guys can see, so now you're going to be in the normal 1.16.40 version, and now let it just quickly download, and I'll be right back and show you guys proof that it actually works. Alright guys, so Minecraft just finished downloading, installing I mean, and now what I'm going to do is go ahead and open it up. Alright guys, so as you guys can see, so now it is going to ask you to sign into your Microsoft account once again, and there's also a Halloween skin pack which you can grab in the store for absolutely free if you'd like. But anyway, so as you guys can see, so you can go ahead and sign in for free, and this is 1.16.40, as you guys can see, and that's it. That's how you're removed from the beta in Minecraft. So that's how you're removed from the experimental 1.17 beta from Minecraft Pocket Edition. And yeah guys, so if you found this video useful, make sure to leave a like, subscribe if you haven't already done that, and in the meantime go ahead and check out some of my other videos on your screen right there, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Now see ya.